You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly, I said correctly, the name of this type of animal. If you want to learn more confusing names from science, biology, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced more commonly in English as Cnidoblast, alright? The C is silent, so do not say Cnidoblast or Cnidoblast or Cnidoblast. No, Cnidoblast. Now, it's also accepted, it's also correct to say it as Cnidoblast. Still silent C, but Ni sound. More commonly in English pronunciation Cnidoblast, but it's also correct to say it as Cnidoblast. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.